G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a no-bake snake cake. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel. Now for this you need a big plate, cutting board, something that you will serve this on, because we're going to make it on what we're going to serve it on. Now you get these little things, something like this. These are called Rollettes where I'm from, and we want to place them sort of like a snake. So with the Rollettes, use as many as you want. Now ones that you have left over, cut little pieces that can fit in the gaps as best you can. Alrighty, once you've got it the way you like, that can be the head. Then we get some icing sugar, frosting. Buy it or make it. If you buy it white. Add some green food colouring. If you make it white and add green food colouring. Food colouring? Now just for decoration, get some M&Ms or Smarties. I'm using green and yellow. And we want a couple of eyes. Now for this next part, get some licorice, and you want to just cut 2 very tiny slits to put on here to complete the eyes. And then get like a snake, gummy, something like this, and try and cut it into a shape like a tongue as best you can. And there you go. Pretty easy, just takes a little bit of time, and it took me about 20 minutes to do the whole thing. Yum. Well, I hope you like this. This is so awesome. Would look absolutely great at any party. So easy to make. Only took me 20 minutes. I'll see you next time for my next meal.